Hey guys! So I look busted right now, but Gwing finds love and happiness in filming me do random stuff around the house. So this is my beautiful fireplace. Now I'm gonna light it.
I don't like for real.
I don't know how to do it, so hopefully it'll a beautiful flame for Gwing. So we're gonna have a little feast tonight. The end. Wow, so beautiful. Raw meat and potatoes and burned wood. Gordon Ramsay could never. Look at that. Wow, the burnt pieces and everything look scrumptious. I would give this a solid 7 out of 8 out of 10 for the process.
Perfect.
Bong, say something.
What? I'm gonna do this with Maggie,
Okay.
my little brother Eli, and me. Today, I'm camping inside the WOOOOOOODDALE. Wood. And now I'm gonna light up so you got paper. Now let's do this with you and you.
Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. See that? It's cool, huh? That's neat.
Preston! Oh no! No! Oh no!
Nặng lên con.
Wow. Hello! Hello! Hello!
Wow.
Wow! Look at that big old fire. Do you know why? Logs are made out of paper. Paper are made out of foam. You stinky doodle. Wow, look at, wow, that looks like a train.
Oh, this is...
Wow. Wow.
Wow. Why are you doing that?
Come out that way. Let's
Wow. Đi ra cái pot luôn.
Bon à, đủ rồi, cô làm một hơi gãy cái cây này, cô bắt tôi tốn bây giờ.
Torch. Yes, torch.
Đâu, con mặc cái áo con không có đưa tới đây vô. Rồi con đừng đi qua phá đâu.
Right now we're camping at home with my dad, uncle, aunt, and me and Maggie. And the stars and do you see that
French
star
fry.
right
French fry
there
với
up
casserole.
there? See, it would make everything on fire.
Yeah.
I hope that vase would not melt because